Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure across the vast, breathtaking landscapes of Africa? From the thunderous roar of the lion, the stealthy stride of the cheetah, to the elegance of the graceful flamingo, Africa's animal kingdom will not only captivate your imagination, but also leave you in sheer awe. Buckle up, because this journey will entertain, educate, and inspire you like never before. Imagine standing on a sun-drenched savanna where the king of the jungle reigns supreme. Yes, the lion. With a mane as majestic as a royal crown, the lion is not just any predator. It's the embodiment of raw power and regal authority. Observe as it prowls the grasslands with a grace that belies its strength, stalking its prey with silent precision. This magnificent creature is the apex predator of the African wilderness, feared and respected by all. But here's the twist: despite their fearsome reputation, lions exhibit a surprising tenderness in their family bonds. Living in prides, they demonstrate the importance of teamwork and social structure, where every member plays a vital role in the survival of the group. It's a beautiful contrast that reveals the complexity of these iconic beasts. Now, shift your gaze to the tall, graceful giraffes that tower over the savanna-like sentinels of the sky. These gentle giants, with necks so long they seem to touch the heavens, are a marvel of evolution. Did you know a giraffe's heart weighs as much as a bowling ball? That's some serious pumping power to ensure blood reaches the top of that towering neck. Their unique patterns of spots are like snowflakes. No two giraffes are exactly alike. Each one is a masterpiece of nature's design. These towering beauties are living proof that the natural world has a sense of humor and a flair for the extraordinary, with their awkward grace and gentle demeanor. Let's slither into the world of serpents and meet the formidable African rock python. This snake is so powerful it can take down an antelope with a single crushing constriction. Imagine the immense strength and precision required to overpower and consume such large prey. Yet, despite their fearsome reputation, these pythons play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They remind us that every creature, no matter how fearsome or misunderstood, has an essential role in the grand tapestry of life. It's a fascinating glimpse into the often unseen mechanisms that keep nature in balance. Swinging through the treetops, we encounter the mischievous and remarkably intelligent chimpanzees. These primates are our closest relatives, sharing about 98% of our DNA. Watching them use tools, solve problems, and exhibit complex social behaviors is like peering into a mirror of our own ancient past. Their playful antics and profound intelligence make them one of the most fascinating inhabitants of Africa's lush forests. Chimps are a living reminder of our deep connection to the animal kingdom and the incredible journey of evolution that brought us to where we are today. Their presence in the wild is a testament to the delicate balance of nature and the intricate web of life. Prepare to be dazzled by the flamboyant display of the African flamingo, one of nature's most vibrant and captivating creatures. These stunning pink birds transform the landscape into a sea of color during their mass migrations. But what gives them their striking hue? It's all in their diet. Feasting on algae and crustaceans rich in carotenoids turns their feathers a brilliant pink. Watching a flock of flamingos take flight is like witnessing a living work of art, a ballet of nature's palette in motion. It's a scene that's both surreal and breathtaking, a vivid reminder of the beauty and wonder that nature offers to those who seek it. Deep in the heart of the jungle, the elusive and enigmatic Okapi roams. A creature so mysterious it's often mistaken for a zebra due to its striped legs. But in reality, the Okapi is more closely related to the giraffe, sharing that same elegant lineage. Its solitary habits and ability to blend into the dense forest make it one of Africa's most intriguing and least understood animals. With its long, prehensile tongue, the Okapi can effortlessly reach for leaves in the densest parts of the forest. showcasing nature's ability to craft creatures that defy conventional classifications. The Okapi is a symbol of the secrets still hidden in the world's wild places, waiting to be discovered. The African elephant, a true titan of the animal kingdom, roams the savannas and forests with a presence that commands respect. Elephants have a remarkable memory and exhibit complex emotions, forming deep familial bonds that last a lifetime. Their trunks, capable of delicate tasks and immense strength, are a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Watching an elephant herd move through the wild is like stepping into a scene from a prehistoric era where giants ruled the earth. These majestic creatures are a living link to the past, embodying the wisdom and grandeur of the natural world. Dive into the rivers and lakes of Africa, and you'll meet the formidable Nile crocodile. These ancient reptiles, virtually unchanged for millions of years, are master hunters perfectly adapted to their environment. With a bite force that can rival that of a T-Rex, they are the undisputed rulers of the waterways. Observing a Nile crocodile in action is like watching a piece of living history, a glimpse into the primal forces that shaped our world. Their presence in Africa's rivers is a reminder of the power and persistence of life on Earth, a force that has withstood the test of time. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, is a marvel of speed, agility, and precision. Capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, the cheetah's sprint is a breathtaking display of nature's engineering. Its slender body, long legs, and distinctive black tear marks under its eyes are all adaptations for the high-speed chase. But beyond its incredible hunting prowess, the cheetah's vulnerability highlights the delicate balance of survival in the wild. These magnificent animals face numerous threats, from habitat loss to competition with other predators, reminding us of the fragility of life in the wild. As night falls and the African plains are bathed in the soft glow of twilight, the haunting calls of the hyenas echo across the landscape. Often misunderstood and depicted as mere scavengers, hyenas are, in fact, skilled hunters with complex social structures. Their powerful jaws can crush bones, allowing them to consume parts of prey that other predators leave behind. Hyenas play a crucial role in the ecosystem, recycling nutrients and keeping the environment clean. Their eerie calls and mysterious behavior add to the rich tapestry of life on the African plains. A reminder that, in nature, every creature has a purpose, no matter how unconventional. Africa's animal kingdom is a tapestry woven with stories of survival, adaptation, and wonder. Each species, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. This journey through the heart of Africa's wildlife leaves us with a profound appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the natural world.